Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use a Bluetooth OBD scanner to reset check engine light. Through the use of an OBD scanner, you know exactly what needs attention. When the check engine light pops on, it can indicate a wide range of issues with your vehicle. A simple light on its own can't tell you whether the issue lies with the fuel system, ignition, transmission, computer circuitry, or emission controls. First, locate the vehicle diagnostics socket. It should be a similar shape that will let the adapter plug into it. Some common places for it are underneath the driver's side dashboard, or behind a flap near or underneath the steering wheel. Now you need to pair the adapter with the phone. Some common pairing codes here are 40 or 1234. Pairing the adapter with the phone is relatively simple. Go to the phone's Bluetooth settings, accessible via the phone's settings to wireless and networks to Bluetooth settings, and scan for devices. Launch Talk, and go into the Applications Settings menu. Select the OBD2 Bluetooth settings option. Scroll down the list of items until you see connection type in the list, and select the adapter you paired with earlier. Now wait for the phone communicated to car ECU. If the scanner doesn't light up when you switch on the ignition, check the connection between the scanner and the connector pins. Diagnostics provides access trouble codes, freeze frame data, live PID data, and a full diagnostic report that you can save and send to your mechanic. OBD codes may seem complex, but underneath the letters and numbers, you can identify the general cause of your lit check engine light, allowing you to take the next necessary steps. What the P0013 code means. P0013 is the OBD2 generic code indicating that the Engine Control Module (ECM) has determined that the Bank 1 exhaust camshaft OCV has an open or short circuit. First and foremost, you want to look for the hood opening lever. Now it's most likely gonna be somewhere that's accessible to the driver on this car. Slide to the side and one hand slide the lever to the side and simultaneously lift the hood. Now I have access to the engine bay. The location of cam's half position sensor depends on make, model and year of your car. If you have a manual, you may find the location by find a Google image search. You can see it locate at left side of engine. In this case, it just the cam's half position sensor connector is not full seated and cause an open circuit. It lost communication with ECU. Reseated this connector will solve the problem. Some fault codes can only be cleared by proving to the computer that the problem has been fixed and the condition is not returning. Or in some cases by disconnecting the battery. They have a unique way to clear them. You need to perform ignition cycle after fault code are cleared by power off and on back the ignition.